Rebecca Stadler. Welcome to this week's Pirate Fight Club. This week we've got a question about what to do if you need to disclose your business idea or any of your intellectual property to potential investors. So, somebody's about to invest a lot of money in your business or your startup, and they want to make sure that you've got a really good idea and do their own due diligence. But you're a little bit nervous because once you give away your intellectual property, then you kind of lose your competitive edge. So how do you go about doing this? There's a couple ways actually. One option that's a really great option is to have them sign a non-disclosure agreement. So this means that they can't disclose your idea to anybody else. And hopefully within that non-disclosure agreement, you would tell them that they can't practice your idea. And an additional way of protecting yourself is to make sure that you've got your intellectual property filings lined up. So if you've got a trademark, you can have your trademark application filed. If you've got an invention, you would have at least a provisional patent application on file in addition to that non-disclosure agreement. There are times when larger businesses won't sign non-disclosure agreements, or they'll only sign the one that they've written. So then at that point, it becomes a business decision if they're unwilling to do that. But as long as you've got the intellectual property filings in place, then at least you've got IP infringement actions against them if they were to take your idea. So ideally, you would have that non-disclosure agreement in place in addition to the intellectual property filings. But if not, then at least the intellectual property filings will protect you. So I hope this is helpful. If anybody's got any questions or comments, leave them in the chat section and I will answer them in an upcoming episode. See you next week.